Welcome to Doodle Chinese. Let's make learning Chinese fun, simple, and practical.
Today, you're not just learning words. You are learning how to build your very first Chinese sentence. The formula is simple.
我
Plus
是
plus who you are. Let's use this formula to build our very first Chinese sentence. A super useful one.
Wow, I think I finally look like a local. Watch this.
我是司机。
Ben, no. You just told him you are the driver. Please say
我是乘客，
not.
我是司机。
Ben, when we get to the
饭馆，
just tell the waiter who you are booked under.
你是老板吗？
Ben, you just asked if she is the boss? She's the waitress.
I panicked. I don't know how to say reservation, so I just started asking everyone's job title.
你是老板吗？ Are you the boss?
我是 Ben， 你是谁？
我
Ben, that's technically correct Chinese. But demanding a stranger's identity at a train station makes you look like airport security.
I was just trying to make a friend using proper grammar.
Before we get into sentence patterns, let's nail down the basics Chinese pronouns. They're actually much simpler than English.
我、
Talking about yourself. It's always this one character.
你、
You. Talking to one person. Use this one.
你们、
You all. If you're talking to a group of people, just add
们、
and it becomes plural.
我们、
We. Same rule. Add
们、
to
我、
and you get we.
我们、他、
He or she, same pronunciation.
他、
Both are pronounced exactly the same. The only difference is how they're written.
So when people are just talking, you literally can't tell if it's he or she?
Exactly. In spoken Chinese, gender is something you pick up from context. It only shows up in writing. 他们, they. It is, same plural rule again. Add
们、
and it's used whether the group is all guys, all girls, or mixed. 是 to be. It never changes. No matter who the subject is,
我是、你是、他是、
all the same word.
不是、
The negative form. Just put
不
in front of
是、
and you're saying is not
不是、谁、
who. Use it when you want to ask about someone's identity.
你是谁？吗？
The question marker. Just tack it on to the end of a statement and it turns into a yes or no question. Just one word. That's the whole trick. For example,
你是老板？
you are the boss, but when you add ma at the end, it means, are you the boss?
你是老板吗？
All right, you've got the pronouns and the building blocks. Now let's stock up on some identity words, the kind you'll actually use to say who you are or ask who someone else is.
老师、老师、学生、学生、朋友、朋友、妈妈、妈妈、司机、司机、乘客、乘客、老板、老板。
Okay, let's review and learn the magic formula to build the sentences.
我是笨，你是谁？
Okay, Ben, last test. Put it all together.
我是 Ben， 我是学生，我去火车站，我不是司机。
That was actually for correct sentences in a row.
I contain multitudes.
Step 1. Say who you're talking about.
我、我们、你、
These are all subjects. Every sentence starts with a subject. Then verb.
是、
To be. Good news! Chinese verbs never change form.
Wait, so no matter if it's I, you, or he, it's always...
是
I never have to memorize am, is, are again?
Exactly.
是
One word does it all. Now add your identity.
老师，
Teacher.
我是老师。
So I'm a teacher now. I definitely haven't passed any teaching exams.
Ben, it's just a sentence.
Okay, in this case, I should only say, was Ben?
Watch closely. The first two blocks never move. Only this one changes.
So I can swap it out
学生
student,
朋友
friend,
妈妈
mom.
我是老师，我是学生，我是朋友，我是妈妈。
Want to turn a statement into a question. Just add
妈
at the end.
That's it. One word turns it into a question.
That's it. Remember this formula? Every word you learned in the last 5 lessons can slot right into that green block. Are you ready for some fun time? Ben wants to introduce him to others. What should he say?
我是 Ben。
Ben is asking who this is. What should he ask?
你是包吗？
Put the blocks into the correct sequence. I'm a student.
我是学生。
Put the blocks into the correct sequence. Are you the driver?
你是司机吗？
Choose the correct one.
我是学生。
Choose the correct one.
我是老师。
I am a teacher.
Bonus time, where we uncover some fun and quirky cultural facts.
我是 Ben. 你是
我是包老师。
Bao, you said your job after your name?
Right? In China, when people introduce themselves formally, they often say their identity, title along with their name like
包老师。
Teacher Bao, not just the first name. It's a small politeness cue.
我是学生 Ben. That's a wrap on today's formula. Hope you enjoyed building your first Chinese sentence with us. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.